Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to enable or disable function keys in Windows 11. Open any browser, copy text from description and paste it. Click sharpkeys.msi. Open downloaded file. Open SharpKeys. Click Add, select function key. Select Turn key off, click OK. Click Word to Registry, click OK, restart system. Open SharpKeys. Click Delete, click Write to Registry, click OK, restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.